Ceramic Pro Vancouver is the original certified Ceramic Pro location, giving us years of experience installing Ceramic Pro on a variety of vehicles, from classics to brand new supercars. Ceramic Pro is a clear liquid nano ceramic coating, and when cured, it permanently bonds to the paint surface, providing a lasting, rigid, yet flexible glass shield. Think of Ceramic Pro as an additional clear coat for your car, but with 3 times the hardness. A car that's been ceramic coated is hydrophobic, so water beads off the surface, is much more resistant to dirt, road grime, and brake dust. When you do wash your car, it's considerably less susceptible to the spider web scratches that diminish the look of the car. There's Ceramic Pro coatings for the glass, wheels, interior surfaces, and upholstery. Ceramic Pro is the best way to protect your car and make sure it retains its showroom shine. Book an appointment today.